Next, we have MINX function. MINX function also calculates the smallest value, but uh, there will be an expression that will be an iterator for the table that will evaluate the expression row by row, and then whatever the set of results will be coming up, it will evaluate the smallest value. So this is how MINX function works. As a syntax I was telling you, MINX function contains three argue parameters. First one is table, and second one is expression, and third one is variant, which is optional. So the column is the one, instead of column we have table. Table is the one the where we have the calculation to be done, and we want the smallest value. The expression, that is to be evaluated for each row, right? And the variant means it will evaluate the result for all the data types, and the highest value will be based on order by descending will be returned, right? And it returns the smallest value as the return type. Now if I go to my Power BI desktop, I have just, if you see, uh, if I, as I told you, we have to pass one expression there. So let suppose I have this region column and I have four values over here: central, east, south, and west. So for this, let me filter the complete data set on only one of the region, and then calculate, let's suppose, how what is the minimum sales amount I have achieved for that particular region. So that is my scenario. So I'll create one measure. The name I'll give is minimum of sales in, let's say, central region. So here I'll be using MINX function, and table is, we have orders table with us, right? Then the expression we have to write is, I want to filter the complete data set. So I am using filter function over here. Filter function, what filter function does is it filters the complete table on the basis of the expression we give. So firstly, we have to pass the table name, that is orders, and the filter expression is, we have a region is equals to central. Now my filter function is done. I am again back to my minim, minimum minx function. Now I don't want to give the variant as it's the optional one, so I'm not passing that. So I'm closing the minx function. So if I just execute it, multiple columns cannot be converted to scalar value, okay, as it is not giving us the uh, okay, multiple values. So we cannot give the filter function here. Now let's suppose, uh, let us change the expression over here. Let me give as the, let me just multiply the quantity and the quantity sold, and what all we have, quantity sold, and let's suppose sales amount. So whatever the smallest value we will get, it will return that. If I just show you the result on one card, 0.44, right? So